Hey guys, what's happening? Hey, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Sam. Welcome to the Sam fam, or welcome back. Today we are doing a different type of video. I've never done a video like this before where I'm following somebody else's recipe. I am going to be following this ceviche recipe from Mo Money. Shout out to Mo Money and the Murillo twins. They are not from Sacramento, they're from Fresno, but they lived in Sacramento for a long time, and y'all know I'm from Sac, so it's all love. But yeah, I've been wanting to try her ceviche recipe for years. Literally, she put it out 2 years ago, and I've been wanting to do it forever, but I finally got around to doing it now. And let me give you guys a spoiler alert. It's fire. So yeah, stick around if you guys want to see me make it. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoy the cooking videos. Also, comment down below what you guys want to see next from me. And don't forget to subscribe and turn your post notification bell on. And follow me on all my social medias, which will be linked down below. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the video. Way to where I gotta go. Ain't got time for no hellos. Some people I eventually outgrow. Yes. Okay guys, I look a hot mess and I'm kind of cut off when I stand up straight, but it's all good because I wanted to make sure I could get the countertop while we're making everything. So I have the shrimp here. I'm gonna just wash my hands really quick. So I have the ingredients listed in the description box, but it's pretty simple. Mo Money just used shrimp. She used like 6 pounds of shrimp, but they have a huge family. I just got 3 because it's just me. And I want leftovers too. I got 2 heads of cilantro. I have 2 cucumbers. I have like 11 limes. I don't know if you guys can see all these limes, but I have 11 of them. I have 1 red onion. I bought 3 avocados, but I'm just gonna use like probably half an avocado with my serving. That's not to go into the actual ceviche. I have 4 tomatoes. I have clamato juice, and I have some tostadas. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just get started with the shrimp. She said to get the ones with the shell on because they have more juice in them. So I'm gonna follow her lead. She's the professional. So yeah. All right, so I'm just gonna start peeling and putting them on the cutting board. Okay guys, so I finished peeling all the shrimp. And now I'm gonna cut it into 3s. Look at this mountain of shrimp. This is 3 pounds of shrimp. So now I'm gonna cut it into 3 pieces like Mo did. I'm trying to do this quickly because the shrimp has to sit in the lime juice for a long time. And I wanna get this video up for you guys today. So if you guys are watching this and it's Sunday, August 2nd, then we did it. We made it up on time. Okay, but I'm gonna probably speed this part up because, you know, it's the same old, same old. All right, guys, so it's all chopped up. Now I'm gonna get a big bowl. All right, so this is the bowl I have. I'm starting to think that I'm not gonna be able to fit all of the shrimp in there. Well, with all the juice too. So I'm just putting it in this bowl real quick. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is just kind of rinse it off really quick, and then I'm gonna add all the lemons to it. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab all my limes, clean off my knife really quick. Okay, so I don't have one of those lime squeezers, so I'm gonna have to like squeeze it myself. So what I'm gonna do to try to get the juices flowing is just roll the limes before I cut them. Okay. Woo! I'm such a mess, I swear. Okay, let me cut this one open. And I'm just gonna squeeze in the juice. I'm using the back of these shrimp scissors. I'm just gonna squeeze it like that. Gotta be innovative. Woo! That was a lot of work. Let me swirl this around. All right, I'm gonna mix it up so that the lime juice really gets in there with all the shrimp. Okay. As you can see, it's already starting to turn a little pink. I'm gonna cover this with saran wrap and leave it in the fridge for a few hours. Okay, so this is covered. I'm gonna put it in the fridge. Okay, I'm gonna clean up this mess really quick and then I'll be back. We're gonna start prepping the veggies so that way when the shrimp is done, we can just put it all together and be done. All right, so I cleaned my cutting board, my knife, and I brought over my veggies. I also have this salad spinner so that I can clean the cilantro. I'm thinking about it and I don't know why I got 2 things of cilantro. I'm only gonna need 1. So I'm just gonna toss one of them in here after I rinse it off. If you guys don't have a salad spinner, you should definitely get one. I have this one and I just got a bigger one recently, so they're really great. You just spin it, and then all the water like goes to the bottom. And now my veggies are clean but dry. Okay, so I'm gonna chop up all of this cilantro. All right, so now this is finely chopped. As Mo says, no lazy choppers. So I'm about to put this in a bowl, set it aside, and then we're gonna go on with the next vegetable. Now I'm gonna wash the tomatoes. I have 4 Roma tomatoes. Okay, so we're just gonna chop these up finely as well. You wanna make sure everything's in small pieces. Now I'm gonna do the cucumbers. Ooh, I'm so excited. I just remember I got a new peeler, so I'm gonna grab that after I rinse these off. Ooh, look at my new peeler. I'm so excited. Oh, it's upside down. I'm so excited. All right, so I'm gonna peel these really quick. I like that it doesn't peel too deep, so you still have a lot of cucumber left. All right, last but not least, I need to cut up this onion. She used a whole onion, so I'm just gonna use half of this one. My eyes are getting watery. Mo did mention chopping next to the fire to help with the watering eyes, so I'm gonna try that out. All right, guys, that actually worked. I didn't get watery eyed when I was standing over there, but my onions are nicely chopped. See that? Adding them to the bowl. I feel like I should do a little bit more onion, so I'm gonna do 3/4 the onion. I'm gonna just take this last half. And okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, oh, I'm like crying from the onions. Okay, I'm gonna put all these veggies in the fridge. I'm gonna cover up and put them in the fridge. I'm gonna clean up, work out, and then get ready because I wanna take some Instagram pictures later. And then I'll come back and we'll throw everything together. That should give the shrimp enough time to marinate. Let's look at how far it's come along now. Not too bad. It's only been about 30 minutes. So I'm gonna try to keep it in there for another 2 hours or so and check on it and see how it is. So we'll come back in like 2 hours and see what you got. It's a whole day late. The lighting has changed. You probably can't even really see me. I mean, do you guys remember me? It's been so long that I had to wait for this shrimp to cook in the lime juice. But that's my fault. I don't know what I was thinking when I said 2 hours, because Mo, like I said, she made 6 pounds of shrimp, so it was double the amount of the shrimp that I had, but she said she had to leave it overnight. So I don't know what I was thinking, but we're back. Hello. Okay, I'm cut off again, but I have the shrimp here. It's all cooked with the lime juice. I have all of our veggies. As I told you guys before, I don't have a big enough bowl to mix everything together. So I'm gonna be ghetto and use a pot, and then I will serve some in a bowl so it looks cute. Yeah. It looks hella good and it smells so good. All right, that should be good. Here's what it's looking like. Hopefully you guys can see. I'm gonna pour some though in this bowl again. I'm just gonna clean out that bowl really quick. Okay guys, so here's a better view of it. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Let me get a little thumbnail. Okay, now I'm gonna make myself a separate little bowl like Mo did. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of clamato. Mo did say not to add it in the whole thing because it would make it a little too sweet, so just put a couple splashes in your own serving. So I just put a little tiny bit. Also, you gotta have the tapatío. She did use Ceviche, I think it was, hot sauce. I don't have that, so yeah. Oh, avocado. All right, guys, I have my little plate here. Let me bring the phone over here so you can see. All right, guys, here's my little bowl. I just wanted to give you guys a close-up. Here's the whole thing. I still have some left over in here as well. I just have ceviche for days, basically. All right, I'm gonna grab a tostada. I almost forgot the tajín, you guys. Definitely add some of the, ooh, my lipstick's on my nail from eating. But yeah, you wanna add some tajín to it too. Okay, got a little bit of everything. And now, as Mo Money says, let's have a fetish bite. Mmm. Bomb. Oh. I forgot to mention to you guys, add salt. I added some salt, but I forgot to tell you guys, add some salt. So good, you guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Mo, if you end up watching this video, thank you, girl, because you hooked me up. I'm so excited. I'm about to be making this all the time. Woo! All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys want me to follow any other recipes. It doesn't have to be just a Mo Money recipe. It could be anybody's recipe. Just let me know. Y'all know I love to be in the kitchen, so eating and cooking. But yeah, comment down below what you guys want me to try next. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn your post notification bell on, and follow your girl on Instagram and all my other social medias, which will be linked down below. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
Yeah. You ran through my mind, it's like I'm on the freeway.